Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul and let me show you all the Valentine goodies I picked up. One of my stores is finally stocking all the Valentine goodies, so I'm quite happy. Look at this. I found the pink mesh with it has like a red metallic threading going through them. So I picked up 6 because I want to make a Valentine wreath with these. And then these are 6 inch by 5 yards. I usually use 5, but I need one extra one just in case. So I got those. And then I found these ribbons. I don't remember if Dollar Tree had this ribbon last year, but look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like red with some blingy hearts in there, you see there? And it says love. I really like it. I'm trying to do the pink theme, but it's not working out. Because they have some really awesome ribbons. So I picked out 5 of these ribbons. I think I will put them on my lanterns. Some cute little bows for my lanterns. If not, I will save this for next year. I will have that one. Who knows, I may want to do some red, white theme next year. And then look, they have these cute little heart ribbons. They're so adorable. It's like a color shift. It goes from white to pink. Isn't that pretty? I picked up 2. These are 3/8 inch by 3 yards. So adorable. So you can just use it like this, as it's connected, or you can cut them apart. Adorable. I picked up the white one, and then they had this one. This is like the light pinker shade, or I guess a pink shade, you'll say. And then this also color shifts. It's almost got like a purplish tint. It goes from pink to purple. I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked up 2 of these. This one is the fuchsia color. And then this color shifts also. It kind of goes from fuchsia to like a hot pink to an orange and all kinds. Look at that. So depending on which way you put it, you kind of get all 3 colors. Isn't that neat? And a bit of purple if you turn it a certain way. Isn't that neat? I like it. So yeah, picked up 2 of those. I have also managed to find the full set of the metal ornaments. You'll remember from my previous haul, I found this one. This is from Cupid Mail Delivery, and they're round. Comes on a red and white string with a bead. Isn't that neat? So I picked up one more because I had only found one. So now I have 2 sets. And then they had this one. Look at this one. My heart is for you. Together forever. My heart is for you. So I picked up 2 of these. That's so cute. And then there's this one. This is an envelope and it says love you. Neat, right? I like them. And the last one is this. So this is the entire collection. Look at this one. It's like a gift tag with hugs and kisses on there. Isn't that adorable? So here you go. So if you see only one in your store, keep looking because look, this is the whole collection. Really nice. I'm happy I found the entire collection. They also had this DIY rock painting kit. I like this one because Let me show you. Look at that. It's got a lace pattern on there. Isn't that beautiful? Adorable. So I picked up one. And then the paints that come with it are the white, pink, and red. And of course you get a paintbrush also. Let me stick this back in here. And then I decided to pick up some pencils. Some Valentine pencils, that is. Look at this. You get 16 pencils. So this one, look at that one. These are bears, and the bear is holding I love you pillows. Isn't that cute? It says bear hugs and kisses. And then this one is the gnome. So adorable. These same gnomes come on wooden plaques, in case you're wondering. But they match to all the wall signs. And then this one, Llama Love. Look at that. Llama, my favorite. And then the holographic pink pencil. Adorable. So I will have some heart pencils on my desk. My own Valentine pencils. I was running low, so I needed to pick up some more. Put that back in there. And then I also picked up this napkin. These are hearts also, the small hearts. Now they have other Valentine napkins, and they have like the large ones too if you're interested in a larger one. You know, a larger Valentine design. So you get 24 napkins in here. And then these are 13 by 13 inch napkins. Got one of those. I also picked up one gnome steak. Look at this. I picked up the girl gnome. Isn't she adorable? I just love her braids, and she's holding a heart. And of course it comes on a stick like this. Now I plan to disassemble mine just so I have the girl gnome for a project. Adorable. She's so cute. And then I picked up some cards. They're all Valentine cards. And I plan on using these in my DIY projects. You know, like in my scrapbooking. So let me see. I picked out 3 different designs. And I picked out 4 cards each. These are the 2 for $1 cards. But I love the designs on these hearts. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? But I plan to just cut out the image and then probably cover that up with something else. And then that's what it says on the inside if you're interested. Isn't that adorable? I love that. I might just copy it, the design onto something else too. And then there's this one. Look at that heart. Look at this heart. It is full of flowers. And it blings. It's just adorable. And then on the inside, that's what it says. So we got that one. 4 of those, of course. And then 4 of these. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? I like this one. Valentine wishes just for you. Adorable, right? And look at this. This is embossed. Look at that. Adorable. And then that's what it says inside. I'm undecided if I want to send these out or if I want to take it apart. If I do, I will cut the heart out and use that in a project. And then I want to use the rest of the card cover. You know, I can do other things with this. I can even make a smaller card like that, right? And a small love card. Wouldn't that be gorgeous? Look at that. Excellent background material. So I got those. And of course, I made sure to have my envelopes for more scrapbooking projects. I also decided to pick up these 12 by 12 paper packs. You get 5 packs in here. It's by Crafter's Square. So this pack right here is the glittered pages. I picked up 2. So you get this color here. It's teal. You get a pink one. A light green one. A charcoal color. I think it's supposed to be black, but it appears more charcoal than it is black. And then you have the white. But this is more of the rainbow effect. Look at that. You see how if you tilt it a certain way, you can see that rainbow going through? Isn't that pretty? So, adorable. And then I also picked up 2 of these. These you also get 5. And then this one is just the regular cardstock paper. So you get the pink copy. And then you get like a mint green. Now this one is navy blue, I think. Yeah, it's navy blue. And it appears purple on screen, but it's actually navy blue. And weird, right? Like an ivory. And then you get the lilac color. Isn't that gorgeous? So I love these. These are like excellent colors to use for Valentine. So you got the lilac, you got the cream, the mint, and the pink. And then of course you can always use navy blue as an accent. And then these colors are good for like Easter coming up, right? And then look at this, same thing with this one. Isn't that gorgeous? It's all going to work really well for Valentine and for Easter. Even the spring season, look at this. Awesome. So I found the glitter one at one store and then the regular ones at another store. So each store carries a different color of cardstock. So, you know, you may have to travel to find yours also. The last 2 items are not Valentine, but of course you can use it in Valentine with any project. So these are parchment papers and they're pre-cut. You get 25 sheets in here. Of course, it's designed for baking, but I want to use it in my scrapbooking projects. I'm quite looking forward to using this. I heard that this works really well if you need to iron something on the table. You just, you know, stick this on your project or under your project and then you iron away. So I picked up one of those. And then the last item I picked up is this. This is a 3-compartment organizer. It's designed for the bathroom, but I want to use it in my craft project. You know, when I'm doing gluing and such, and I need to, you know, put my glue on the table, sometimes, you know, I have to put my glue like this so all the glue runs back down. So this way I can just turn it and put them in here like this, right? This way I have all my glues ready so I can pull it up and open it and the glue's already down. I may need to put something down there in case I have a leak, but look at this. Isn't that great? You don't have to shake the glue just to get the glue down to work. Fantastic. You know, it could work, right? Even if you're doing like distress spray or whatever, you put your the paints that you're working with, stick them in there, and then you have them close by, and you don't have to worry about it falling over and making loud noises. I'm always knocking something over when I'm recording, so this will work really well. I like it. That is everything that I picked up on my trip to the Dollar Tree. Well, I hope that you find everything that you are looking for the next time you go to Dollar Tree. that you find everything you have on your wish list, and that you have lots of fun finding all these Valentine goodies. I'm glad I found all these. I would not have known that this is what all came in the collection. So I'm quite happy about these. Now, I'm using pink this year, so I have two of each collection. So one of my plan is to maybe paint one of these pinks for this year. I don't know yet. I'm still undecided about that. Because there are so many stuff that are red that are just absolutely beautiful. So I think that's the reason why I also picked this one up, because it's pink, but it also has that red metallic going through, see? So I can always, put everything together and make everything all cohesive, right? I don't know yet. I'm just happy I found all these goodies. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.